classroom. We started this year.
Focus is increasing engineering practices in the classroom, and we use the 3D printer for prototyping and modeling and all of that.
We know, here's some statistics, that by the time kids are in 5th grade, they're going to decide what they want to do with their careers in the future, even though they might not be able to explain that to us yet. So we're trying really hard to bring in engineering problems for them to solve.
Our challenge was to build an arcade for people that are able to play it, and we had constraints where you can only use the tape for a little time, and how big and how wide it can be, and how tall it can be if it's slanted.
The problem we were shown was pencils rolling off desks, and that can be pretty annoying. And it also can pop our yoga balls that we use as chairs. So our project was to design and 3D print a pencil holder to keep our pencils in.
We use the 3D printers to design and print things to hold our pencils. And so we had partners in the activity. Mine was Grayson, and you had to design something for your partner to make for you, and then your partner would design something for you to make for them.
We use Tinkercad to design 3D shapes that we print on the 3D printer. So on Tinkercad, I am making a pencil holder for Aaron. I made it so it has chicken feet, because that's what he wanted. But I am still thinking that it might tip over because the feet might not be stable enough, so I had to make the feet really big. So I had to actually cross over the feet to make them bigger.
So the project that you guys saw today was all about them coming up with a problem that they have in their everyday lives and finding solutions to that problem. Printers, and later in the year they're going to be using the 3D printers to design blades for wind turbines to see how they can create one that generates the most electricity. We're also going to be working with solar panels, and they're going to be working on making solar cars and powering those with some 3D printed parts as well. So trying to find ways that they can solve our future problems today with the things that they're doing in the classroom.
So you start with a ball that the program gives you, and then you form it into your creation that you're going to make.
Are you done with sandpaper? This is just
Our class project is a city scene, and I've chosen to do like a band that plays on the side of the road.
we use Sculptress as our basis. We start with that. We really like that because it's a ball of clay, and for our beginners especially, it's easier to visualize that ball of clay that I'm gonna manipulate and pull and adapt. We're not doing that with our hands, we're doing it with the computers, but mentally we can make those connections. So we start out art-based, and we learn that it's harder than you think. When you start with a sphere, if you want something that's more of a cube, good luck. It becomes a bit of a challenge. Motions is an art class because there is a lot of artistic ability and talent that we demonstrate, and we really focus on all that collaborative work too. It's a pretty good all-around well-rounded class, I guess I'd say.
For this, I think I might have a window on the top as well, and of course some windows on the sides. And I made this bed that I extended out from the food truck. Then I hollowed it out with the draw tool that I inverted. This prints correctly, I'm going to sand it because it'll have a lot of lines. I'm going to kind of sand away, make it seem smoother like metal. Then I'm going to add a glossy paint to it.
Well, I decided to go outside of normal, and instead of painting it, I decided to do flocking. It just brought more of a life to it.